Well, hello, fellow model railroaders. I was going to do a quick little product review. Um, this is something I've had for a while, but I hadn't seen any of them recently, and I figured I'd go ahead and do a little short product review. This is a Walthers Gold Line set of 3. These are ballast cars, ballast hoppers, and I'll just take a look at some of them real quick here. Whoop. Very quality car that I wish I had a layout to operate them on right now, but I do have a test track. Now these, it looks like since I modified the storage containers, I must have added loads to these, because I'm guessing they didn't originally come with loads. But these are really nice cars. I'm pretty sure that they did come with the Protomax couplers. No, these are not Protomax. These are 158s. So these cars are actually old enough that they used to have. I'm looking at the packaging. It says they used to have McHenry couplers. So these are 158s that I've added. But you can see the detail level on these cars is very good. Let me see if I can get these loads out. Yeah, there we go. I always write down on the bottom of the loads what the load goes to. But basically, if you look at the production when these were actually made in real life, I think it says March of 1974. And I used to have some of those green Walthers Diffco cards where the whole car kind of tilts up and dumps its ballast where it's needed. But I have never seen any of those. I'm more interested in the 1970s. And, I've seen plenty of these in orange for lots of different railroads. But, of course, these have the 4 chutes. Same sort of thing that you'd find a little bit older style than the Diffco cars. Still shoots out to the side. So in other words, it would be taken to a place where they're working on the tracks, and a ballast spreader could then take it and put it where it needs to go. But anyways, just wanted to show this set of cars to you real quick. And if you ever get a chance, I think Roundhouse made some other ones. In fact, let me grab those real quick. Okay, so these are the other, I only have 2 of the Roundhouse ballast cars. And of course, these I think are a little bit older. But I don't know. I can't remember if I've ever done a side-by-side view of them. These are some loads I think I made myself. But these ones have a production of 3 years earlier, March, if I can get that in focus, March of 1971, versus the Walthers that were 1974. And the discharge chutes at the bottom are a little bit different. There's 4 much bigger ones also shooting out to the sides so that you get the ballast out next to the rails. And that one's not wanting to come out too easy. Let me see if I can show the inside of the car. Let's see if I can get this one to come out. Yeah, there we go. And of course, mark it as a Roundhouse. Boy, this thing is Oh, okay. Saying this one's got some serious weight to it. And that's because if you look very closely at the ends, I've added some weights underneath the ends of the car. Didn't do it on that one. And makes a big difference. I'm just wondering if I did some weathering on this, because these actually almost appear to really almost be slightly different colors. The lower one, a little less translucent than the top one. And these came in the same, it was a 12-car set years ago. But typically what I do with Roundhouse hoppers, regardless of what they're like, is always paint the frames kind of a flat black. Put Katie's on them, and definitely some metal wheels. But anyways, so that's a rundown of my Southern 40-foot ballast cars. And thanks for watching.